I'm forced to use my feet today. The front tire on the side got a hole. I'm not sure how that happened, how it came about. I rode it yesterday. Maybe I hit something. I don't know. So I just gotta go find my patch kit and patch the tire. If I don't have a patch kit, I'm gonna have to go get one. The 360 X5 with the Insta360 Freeframing selfie stick and the Insta360 Mic Pro. Along we get to the bay, I have the DJI, nope, back up. I have the Extra Muse with me. Also, yep, go forward, fish. I have the DJI Osmo Nano. I got the hat clip and it's in my pocket, both cameras. It is a heavyweight, yes indeed. And I want to talk about the camera or cameras that I got or with me, and let's get going. This is the lightest thing I have. It's the Insta360 Freeframing selfie stick. That is the lightest one of them all. That's how I feel. But you know, the Nano, just the camera alone, is probably the lightest. The Insta360 selfie stick, again, for the reasons of I want it in my arsenal. It's an awesome device and product. It does its job quite well. The one I have, I felt that it was an issue, that I had problems, that it stopped during the video. Somebody told me that if I watched my video very carefully that I hit the button, that it stopped. Now, I'm not going to debate it. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to say yes. I'm not going to say no. It is what it is, man. It happened. And that's why I returned. And right now, I think it's holding up pretty good. And my hand is not even near the shutter button. The shutter button. Because I want to put myself in the thirds. The rule. And I can adjust and level myself, but it's not on the shutter button. A nasty day, all day rain, they say. Might as well get my footage and have something I could do and edit besides my beeswax. Yeah, man. Now, I do want to talk about extra. Read all about it. The Extra Muse 2 Pro, or is it going to be the Extra 2 Muse Plus? It's coming out. You want to reserve. You want to hear the story about reserve? About the reserve? And you want to be careful if you change your mind. Back trigger twice. Supposed to center. It went to the front. Well, the Extra Reserve, $20 deposit down towards, you got it, a camera. And now you get $60 off. At any time in the launch, you have the right to cancel up to 30 days when the camera is launched. Well, it didn't say if you made a mistake and you want to back out the second you made the order within that same day. An Extra will question you on your return and why you want to cancel your deposit. Be down here. They're going to have a fair all day long. The area is going to be closed. Yes, indeed. Let's go to the pier to the end, get a little talk. I smell the diesel fumes. The wind is blowing this way. Ah, the sun is rising. Nice and calm. Nowhere to put the cameras down. What am I going to do and how am I going to hold and where am I going to place? Definitely doesn't vibrate on the record. Insta360. If you ever come to a small channel like mine, you want to listen to the people like us. We'll tell you exactly what feedback you need to hear. Then these influences you're getting that only keep positive to the camera and doesn't talk about what needs to be fixed or maybe updated in firmware. Well, What were we going to talk about? I just totally lost track. Well, yeah, I'm able to put the camera down, open up the legs, and extend the stick as far as I can, and I'm able to walk around. I basically got my own Insta360 Luna Ultra, but with twice the larger screen. It's even remote control that I can control a couple of things, but not all the things like in the Luna Ultra. I would love, and I am thinking about getting the Luna Ultra as I continue my research. Try not to put your pocket camera or extra muse, because extra muse doesn't call the pocket camera. As you can see, it's in the on state out of nowhere, and everything loosens up, so please be careful. Now, saying about this and being careful with your cameras, Costco. If you're not a Costco member, don't go away that fast. 5% will get you an Insta360 Luna with the soft mist filter lens, the strap, a soft carrying case, the camera, the hard shell cover, and gives you a Insta360 mic. How sweet is that? Not the Mic Pro, a mic. And you get everything. $769. Awesome deal. You don't get the little base attachment to add on. And you don't get the hard case, but you get the soft case. It's a great deal. If you want to get a $15, how much? 20 bucks if you're lucky. So you're looking at a $30 difference or $35 difference, and you don't get a wide angle lens, you get a mist filter for one of the lenses. Choices, baby, choices. Angle, but I still could walk around so you can see the boat going out. If I come down here, maybe you'll see the boat coming out. Yeah, I could do this without putting my finger down and balancing. I just put my finger down so I could hold my balance. Now, the beautiful sunrise. There it is. That's what I like about the Insta360 free-framing camera. The thing about this camera is it allows me to walk around and around and around until I fall down or the battery gets depleted. Something that this camera can't do, or any other camera like the Insta360 Luna can't do. I wished Insta360 would have taken note of that 540 degree would have been best than 290 or 320, whatever of a 360 that they give at 8 to 10 o'clock. That extra could have made a little bit better, had the time to do, experimenting what DJI wants to show the world what they can do by changing the gimbal and having extra be the one to show and tell. I want to pack you up, put you away, and use the mic and get on going. I'm finishing up the second half of my vlog. If this video is too long, check the next video coming. That'd be the continuation of the video. Your choice, your option, not mine. Let's get on with the show.